I love you. I love going camping with you, and I want to go camping with you. We need to talk about sleeping arrangements. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the beautiful Thor Eddie Bauer 25EB. This just happens to be the EBF located on the Ford chassis, highlighted by a versatile split twin or king-size bed in the rear, midship bathroom, as well as wardrobe. Welcome to your motorhome. I'm going to start right back here in the back. Now, at the very beginning, I mentioned I love you. I love camping with you. If your loved one kicks like Adam Vinatieri winning a playoff game at night, I'm going to save your kidneys right here. How am I going to do it? Because right back here in the back of the Eddie Bauer 25EBF is going to be two twin beds that are 38 by 75. But you have this space located right here, allowing you to actually make this a king-size bed. So if you like to cuddle and snuggle, sure, go for it. There's a little pad that fits right here. Now you got yourself a king bed. But if you want your separation of space when sleeping, remove that bad boy. And now little Miss or Mr. Kicky Legs at night won't be tearing up your kidneys. There we go. Know what I mean? Now, I love this layout because if you're going with the family, you got the kids staying, you still have a 52 by 96 bunk over cab up front. That could be your primary bed. But having the separation of space, thanks to the door here, not to mention how the bathroom opens, which I'll show you here shortly, this area becomes versatile. More importantly, it becomes a little bit more functional. You got a much bigger space because it's king size in a motorhome that doesn't even have a slide back here. Up above, you'll notice with Eddie Bauer, the decor is going to be right on time. We got the white beveled shaker style cabinets with the oil bronze pulls. My doors up here are strut supported. Big fan of that. And I have storage all the way around. Not to mention, I have my own little skylight, my AC ducted right here, large windows with side balances as well as the pulled down shades to give me some privacy and light dampening, TV connection, 110 power, and then you need more storage? You absolutely can. Because at the end of the day, this coach is only 26 feet, 5 inches long, but can easily sleep 5, maybe even more. Pretty good for a coach this big. Now, bedroom, pretty sweet, versatile and awesome, plush and comfortable with storage options. But let me show you how you're going to get cleaned up. Come here. Now, it is separation of space, but it's not true separation of space because midship of the 25EBF is highlighted by this bedroom that gives you a lot of privacy, some ward space, and why not have a shower beer while you're on the road? What am I talking about? Right here, I got my shower. Right here is my fridge. It's a 10.7 foot, 12 volt Contour upgraded fridge freezer combo. While I'm taking a shower, I can reach out and grab myself a shower beer. Why not? Add that to the fact that you got the mirrored wardrobe space right here, and it is Eddie Bauer, so you're going to see the forest green. You're going to see great colors blending together with golden accents. But you have adjustable shelves in here, pull-out drawers that are solid wood, full extensional drawer guides with finishing on the bottom. Big fan of that. And, of course, I got my fridge freezer combo right here. Now, granted, when you're in here taking a shower, the kids won't be able to get to the fridge, but they can't have a shower beer anyway, you silly goose. Now, toilet is porcelain, plus it's high-rise. Toilet paper there. Girard tankless water heater. Then I technically have a square shower right here. Take a look at how they used all this space. Shelf right here with some more storage. Linen storage right there. Vent and fan. Privacy curtain for my shower, as well as brush nickel controls for my shower head, as well as my water controls. Corner notches for my soaps, my shampoos, and a raised pan so I don't have to worry too much about the spilling when I'm taking a shower. All in all, got my hangers, got my lights, I got some privacy. And once again, we're in a coach that's only 26 feet, 5 inches. It's pretty sweet. Now let's take a look at where you're going to enjoy some camp cooked meals, as well as games with old foot toodles there. Now, the midship of the Thor Eddie Bauer 25EBF is highlighted by some pressed surface countertop, dream dinette, as well as your entertaining space and plenty of storage and style. As I walk by, I want to show you the space that you have in the Contour fridge. I'm a fan of the Contour brand. We've worked with them, and I've had a chance to really get to know their components. There's a reason why you're going to find them in a lot of higher-end RVs. They're really good. All right, press surface countertop over here on the campsite with my 2-burner cooktop with the glass cover, oversized campsite window, once again, with the blinds as well as the valance up top. I got my Contour microwave, which is also, if I'm not mistaken, an air fryer. So this is the power convection air fryer combo microwave. Really awesome, especially if you got the kids for the wings, the popcorn, the French fries. Plus you can microwave up those factor meals before you have your shower beer, just to kind of make yourself feel a little bit better. Oh, I ate healthy. I'll go ahead and have that PBR tall boy. Now, more store space here, drawers all over the place, GFCI outlet, as well as a good spot for my trash can, and a fold up if I need additional countertop space. But the fact that two iconic American brands have teamed up to bring you a motorhome that is classy, stylish, hopefully recalls of greater days of your youth, but also not going to break the bank. To me, it's just a win all the way around. Look at the decor styling that you have with the Eddie Bauer, the forest greens, the light, almost off-white gray, matched with the ivory, the gold accents, and of course the wood trim. Screams my childhood in the 80s. So, press surface countertop, stainless steel undermounted sink, high rise. I love this bronze goldish finish that we have on my sprayer faucet. Plus, I got my drying rack. Across from that is going to be my dream dinette, and for some reason, a giant mirror. You got to check your, wait a minute, am I looking okay? Wow, I'm sorry for y'all. But mirror to check everything you need. More storage up top that is strut supported. A dream dinette with storage bins underneath. And the thing that I love about Thor's dinettes is the fact they make them dream dinettes. This is the same press surface countertop that you got over there. I got cup holders, but this pushes down to be the base for my sleeper, which the dinette does convert into. But more importantly, there's no legs for you to bump around. So when you're enjoying those camp cook meals, playing the board games, playing the card games, or just talking about that awesome hike, beach, bike ride, whatever you had, this is a great connection spot. And more important than that, you're making those memories that you don't realize will impact you years from now. That's why I love these things. Okay. Entry point, command panel. This is where you come to check all your tanks, as well as run out your slide and start your generator. I'll talk a little bit more about that on the outside. But as far as your tanks go, because as you can see here, you also have your water pump. You do have a 41-gallon fresh, 33-gallon gray, 30-gallon black. And I love how I can just check, see how everything looks right there. Then I have more storage up top. Now, twin/king bed conversion in the back. Can easily sleep two, maybe you two plus the small kid. Booth dinette, easily sleep one. Let me show you the other sleeping space and my cab. When I had my motorhome, my kid would always want this area here because of the TV. This TV is your main entertainment for the 25EBF. It's on a swivel arm. You can turn it, pull it out. It's great for viewing inside the booth dinette. You can even view it from the back if you swing it all the way out. Make a great movie night, pop some popcorn, put the middle piece in for the bed, and have the kids sit back there and enjoy movie night. Plus, you also have the privacy curtain. This space here is 52 by 96. A little bit, we'll just call it a full-size bed, but it's plush, comfortable. You got the foam mattress with the backer, as well as cup holders and storage spots. Great for storage while traveling, great for sleeping or just being an extra bed if you need it. A lot of people don't even use this, but there's also a ladder that helps you get up here. Now, underneath there is my cab, which is why this is a bunk over cab. You'll see that we do have the touchscreen dash that is set up for Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. Plus, you got the telescoping steering wheel that's going to control everything for you, as well as your backup monitor, which is on the screen. And my molded dash gives me great spots for my cups, my cell phone, as well as anything I need. Plus, my captain and co-captain's chairs, comfortable, great for the ride, and they even turn. And you even have an AC outlet, so if the co-captain wants to do some work while traveling on the road, they can plug in the laptop right there. The visibility on these are pretty great. If you've never driven a Class C motorhome and you're concerned about it, do you need a special license? You don't, but I always advise go to your local Camping World and test drive one so you can see. To me, it's kind of like driving a Suburban or like a big old Expedition. But that's just me. Everybody's going to be different, so don't take my word for it. Go test it yourself. And when it comes to keeping your coach where you want it, the aluminum construction, the foam insulation, all the barriers that we have on this are going to do a good job. You got a high output Coleman Mach Whisper Quiet AC and a 30,000 BTU furnace on this. For a coach that's not even 27 feet long, that's really good. Now, let's go outside and talk about the beautiful decor there. Now, the outside of your Thor Eddie Bauer 25EB is going to be highlighted by some beautiful graphics. You also have an oversized awning and a 4,000 watt generator. Love that beauty. This just happens to be seated on the Ford chassis. This is the E350. So you got a 7.3 liter V8 engine. You got 325 horsepower on this beauty with 450 pounds-foot of torque. With a coach that's not even 27 feet long, that's going to give you good passing ability while on the road, and you won't really worry about, or don't have to worry about, a lot of the grades when traveling. Plus, I love the fact how we have the oversized mega mirrors, that one-piece front cap. Nice, because it's also wrapped around the edge. Anytime you go to any RV, pay attention to the front cap and the side seams. If it's a seam that's right here, chances are you could have a potential issue later on with water permeation. If the manufacturer takes the opportunity to go around the side and mold that cap, that's much better seal, much better insulation. And with that aluminum superstructure we have in here, this is going to be a nice, well-built coach. You'll see the fiberglass exterior that also has a very nice coating on it that's going to help make sure this coach doesn't fade on you over time. I got my door, which has the friction hinge on it, and you have 65 cubic feet of storage on this beauty, and all of your compartments are rotocast, which is very nice because if you're going to the beach, the mountains, anywhere where there's going to be dirt, you can actually clean that off a whole heck of a lot easier, because you'll notice some of them will actually have portholes. You literally just unscrew it, spray it down, let it drain out. There you go. You'll also see that my windows are sealed. They got the 80% tint on those bad boys. Awning spanning the whole entire campsite of the coach with LED light. I even have the protected well above these beautiful tires with the steel rims. A very nice feature. Not only that, also looks good going down the road. Got 110 power, fresh tank fill, back of my hot water heater right there. Just don't put a camp chair there. And the back of your furnace, same thing. More storage, but check out this storage. This is the one that I like because it's tri-access, it's rotocast, but it also has the suspension net. So if you need to keep something secure or you got tables, chairs, maybe the Coleman grill, because you do have an LP quick connect here as well. Great spot for that. And more importantly, it's multi-tiered. So you got a spot for the cooler, spot for the chairs, a spot for like whatever else you want, all right there. 4x4 sewer hose storage located on the back. Got the prep for the backup ladder. Right there's my backup camera. Right here is going to be my 8,000-pound hitch with 7-way connection, meaning you can bring a car with you while you're driving this along. Why not? But the fact that I can access the storage from multiple points, including over here on the off-cam side, very, very, very nice feature. And underneath here is going to be my generator. One of the things I love most about motorhomes, toy haulers too, well, most toy haulers, is they come with onboard power. Having a generator means you can go off the grid, not have to worry about, am I going to be able to run that 13.5 AC? Am I going to be able to run the refrigerator? Having that means you can go off grid and still have juice. Tank right there, just make sure it's unleaded. 30 amp plug right here, more storage. Right past my worm slide. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Just looks good. The Eddie Bauer green pops out, the white with the black and the gray just looks good. And it's only 26 feet. I mean, you can't really beat that. For a coach that can easily sleep, what do we say, Ryan? 5? We'll say 5. To me, it's more of a couples coach. And if you love your partner, but you know you need some separate sleeping areas, or more importantly, you just need the possibility of sleeping areas. Because I know how some of us get, what do you mean you don't want to sleep on my side of the bed? Look, I understand. I dig it. I'm with it. You kick me like crazy. I can't hardly walk because my kidneys are bruised. If you're in that same boat as I am, no, honey, I love you. You know that. The Thor 25EBF, I'm not going to have a home when I get back. You understand this, right? I'm doing this for you, and I'm not going to be able to get in my own home. Then you can come pick this up at your local Camping World or at rv.campingworld.com. But leave me some comments down below and let me know, what did you think of the Thor Eddie Bauer 25EBF? Where are you going to take it? What's going to be your next adventure? Would you change anything in it? Am I right about that bed setup? Because we love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please also click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. And if you're saying, hey, Chris, do you have any couple of different motorhomes you can show us, maybe with the different bed configurations or different styles, maybe one with bunks? I'll give you a couple options in the links down below. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon.